Have you ever pondered the universal appeal of tuna salad and mangoes? Two simple ingredients, yet when they come together, they create a gastronomic experience like no other. The perfect blend of sweet and savory, crunchy and creamy, tropical and traditional. This isn't just a meal, it's a culinary journey. So buckle up, dear listener, as we delve into the mouth-watering world of tuna salad and mango fruit delicacy. Imagine a fresh, ripe mango, its vibrant orange flesh oozing with sweet, tangy juice. Now, think of a can of top-quality tuna, brimming with protein-rich chunks, ready to be transformed into a satisfying salad. The journey begins here. First, peel the mango, revealing the juicy flesh beneath. Slice it into thin strips, careful to avoid the large pit in the center. The thin slices ensure the mango's sweetness permeates every bite of the salad. Next, drain the tuna of its excess oil or brine, place it in a large bowl, and with the back of a fork, flake the tuna into small, bite-sized pieces. This allows the tuna to absorb the flavors of the other ingredients, creating a more harmonious dish. Now it's time to create the dressing. Mix together 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, a teaspoon of Dijon mustard, and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. The mayonnaise provides creaminess, the mustard adds a tangy kick, and the lemon juice brings a refreshing acidity that balances the richness of the tuna and the sweetness of the mango. Pour the dressing over the flaked tuna. Add the sliced mangoes and gently mix everything together, season with a pinch of salt and a generous grind of black pepper. Finally, serve the salad on a bed of fresh, crisp lettuce. The lettuce adds a pleasing crunch and a refreshing bite, rounding off the dish beautifully. And there you have it, a tuna salad and mango fruit delicacy. A dish that combines the sweetness of tropical mangoes with the savory satisfaction of tuna salad. A dish that's as easy to make as it is delicious to eat. A dish that's sure to impress at your next lunch or dinner gathering. To recap, peel and slice a ripe mango, drain and flake a can of tuna, mix together mayonnaise, Dijon mustard and lemon juice for the dressing, combine everything together, season to taste, and serve on a bed of lettuce. A simple process, but the result is anything but. This, dear listener, is the magic of tuna salad and mango fruit delicacy.